2 years ago, I thought I'd found the perfect action camera, but now it's just a broken piece of tech. This hard case was purchased separately. I have a few accessories as well. This tiny camera promised versatility and portability. I loved its sleek design and the endless possibilities it offered. This is the Insta360 Go 264GB model. But now, it's just a lifeless piece of tech. Was it worth the investment? Let's dive into the troubleshooting process. Here we see how the housing is trying to connect with the camera, but unfortunately, it's not succeeding. I've tried resetting to factory settings countless times in every possible way, but to no avail. The housing works fine, and the camera isn't dead either, but there's no communication between the two devices. I tried everything. I followed troubleshooting guides and reached out to support, but nothing seemed to work. The frustration was real. The initial cost wasn't too bad, but when you factor in accessories and potential repair expenses, it starts to add up. One last time, let's try resetting and connecting the device. No, still no luck. There are plenty of other options out there. Some might offer similar features at a lower price point. It's worth exploring your alternatives. My experience with the Insta360 Go 2 has been bittersweet. While it offered some unique capabilities, the reliability issues and potential costs make it a tough sell. Before you make a decision, weigh the pros and cons carefully. The question now is, what to do next? Send it for repair and pay more for the camera, or buy a new camera and admit defeat. What would you do? Have you had a similar experience with the Insta360 Go 2? Share your thoughts in the comments below.